Hi everyone. Hi Hanor, hi Liam. Okay, what we're doing today is going over the debilling. Two objectives. One, to see how we fully integrate the debilling program. Second is to understand how to build the four functions of dealing with data from the screen, the data layer, or the presentation layer, I should say, to the data layer. Okay, there's four major functions. One, it's really following the acronym of CRUD. CRUD means C for creating, meaning how do I put a record in the database. The second is R, it's for retrieve. It's how I pull data from a database. U, it's for update information in the database. And D is to delete a record from a database. So that's the objective in using the deep billings program. How do we really achieve those four functions? In addition, as I said before, it's to how do we integrate application into the program, the projects. We're going to shift the method of training and that you guys taking the lead. I will just direct how you guys do it. So we'll go step by step. I will direct you and you actually will do it, okay? And then at some point I will take the lead. So this is why Liam now have a control on his system. So Liam, why don't you open the traits? Good, let's go to the traits and let's see the apps, very good. So here we have really, we have the main, we have to do. What is the third one, Liam?
The minion.
Where did you get that one? You did it yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful. So let's open it up, show it to me. Excellent. So, and were you able to integrate it?
Yes.
Show me. Let's see how you did it.
This is the URLs. Then the templates. And the base.
Go organize. Liam, go organize. Beautiful work. Beautiful work. Beautiful. Really beautiful. Let's start systematically. Okay, Liam?
Yes.
Go systematically. Go with the URLs. Show us how you integrated the URL. You close all of them, close all of them and then open one by one. Very good. Good job. Excellent. I love what I saw. I already saw that you did excellent job. But I really want for the record also to go systematically. Stage number, there's two major links that we have to make sure when we're adding another application. You added the Minion application. And there's two things you must make sure that you added to the projects so we know it's fully integrated. Beautiful, let's go. Excellent.
I had to add it to the base.
This is the first one, excellent job. So you can close it, that's enough. You can close the base, very good. The second one is the URL, excellent. What did you edit? Excellent, it was really easy, wasn't it? You just copied the to-do and you replace it by the menu. Excellent job, close it. Excellent, like that. Let's ensure that it's integrated into the Django framework. Now, let's go and open the URL of this specific application that's already open. Excellent, what do we have? Your major main page gonna be home, is that right?
Yes.
Now, that's a detail. I'm going to make a small comment. It's really detailed. You know, you have a little tilde under the parenthesis, under the comma. Just put a space. Just be a little, you see, you need a little space. Looks nicer too, okay? I'm usually impedant. Usually it's help you later on when you get stuck with something complicated. When everything is nicely organized, easier to solve issues. Beautiful. Excellent. So we have, in fact, the way I look at it, we have really three routing to three functions. And those functions are defined in the viewers. That's why you have in the top form.viewers, import, and parentheses you put, just put the comma there, will look nicer as well. No, that one put back, yeah. Put back the other one, yeah. Good job. And then after the comma, beautiful. Now that we have that, we know that there must be 3 functions in the viewers. So how do we go to the function home? We can click on it. Is that right? We can click on the home, click on the, yeah, you did it in the, you did, yeah. There's another way, easier. If you click on home, yeah, and do Control B. Now just one click and do Control B. It will take you right to there, okay? The reason you have a tilde again, try to keep only 2 spaces from the top. So remove extra spaces on the top. It won't make a difference. It will work just, one more, excellent. It will work just fine. Python don't really care. But it looks nicer and easier later on when you work in it. Beautiful. So what do we have in the home? Liam, explain.
Home, it's basically empty at the moment. Just playing around with things.
Oh, excellent. So show us the template called home.html. Where did you put it? Beautiful. And now, Liam, can you explain why did you put Mignon again under templates? Why did you need to rename again another directory under templates under Mignon?
It makes the work easy to find and organize.
Correct, but the most important is we haven't got that. It's not in the first stage of this course. It's the second level, is whoever wants to be really a software engineer. We talk about how Django collects all the templates. It doesn't really keep them this way. It's collecting all the templates into one directory. Now, if you have templates with the same name, it will mix them up. So when you collect all the template under this application, it will keep them under a directory Mignon. So it takes everything under the template, and since you put a directory under it, it will keep all of those under this directory inside the collections. So that's a good practice to do. Excellent job. Beautiful. I just wanted you to remember why you did it, okay? Good practice. Beautiful. What do we see in the template? The first thing you did on the top, Liam.
I first added
row, the first row.
The?
Yeah, where is that one came from? Yeah, the base underscore Mignon.
This.
Yeah, this one. Yeah, why did you do that? Excellent. This is really a template for this application. Is that right?
Yes.
Excellent. Explain to us, what do we see here?
This helps me gather the information from all the others, and it keeps the work organized.
Excellent. So when you are in this application, you will have a routing to the main and to do, because they are the 2 other applications that you have in here. So you did the main navigator for the application is the first part. Beautiful job. Excellent job. So how about you run it? Show us how that comes into. Run it. Put Python, manage. Very nice. Very nice. So this is the main page of the Mignon. And then we have seen here, we see that we do, and the main, this one, hold a second, you did beautiful job. This one, the first 2, the main and to do, go back to the pie chart, are handled by this section, the app toolbar. Is that right, Liam?
Yes.
Beautiful job. Beautiful. Then the other block, sub app toolbar, that will be for the specific, for every specific page. So let's go now here. Beautiful job. And here you can tell us that you added 2 more pages, and those really going to be the specific pages. And can you explain to us how did you do the href, the href? How did you build that one inside? See the first one for the hiring.
I took the tested from the original work from home, from
Beautiful.
the main.
So you have the application name. This is the application name first, and then a colon and home. Home will take you to, well, show me exactly where it's going to take me. Show me the logical. So when I click on hiring, it's going to go to the application mignon. Yeah, when you're clicking here, how did he route it to this one? How did he route it to there? Beautiful. And catch it, very good. And where did he go? Show me, pointing, point to me, where is the hiring? The word hiring, where is it? No, you went to the right file, I like that. No, that's where you ended up. But go to the, yeah, beautiful, go there. And show me in this row, what did he look for hiring? In this row, which hiring he is looking for? In the one you just marked. I liked it. I really like what you did. Excellent. The name. The name. The name is really what he's looking for. And now he's working for you. Go back, please, to the template. Beautiful job. You see, when you write mignon colon hiring, is really saying, you know, this command URL is going to, and does all the work for you. Before Django is sending the template, remember that this one is done before it's being sent to the user. Before he's doing it, so he does a job. There's a function called URL in Jinja language, is looking at the application mignon, is getting to that function, you named it hiring, and is building the URL automatically based on what you have in the URLs. It does it automatically. And then when the user getting the template, it will get exactly the link. And we will show you how. Let's go back, please, to the template, to the program, yeah, to the browser, yeah. Beautiful. So just don't click, just put the mouse over it. Put the mouse over it. Beautiful. Look at the bottom left. You see it says 127.0.0.1 colon 8000 because that's the default port. Then it says mignon / hiring. That's pretty cool. Who wrote it? Now, in fact, if you really want to do right click on hiring, not left click, right click, yeah, and do inspect. Inspect. That gives you what Django has done for you. If you see in the href, it put there mignons / hiring. This is really what that function in Jinja URL have done automatically. You automatically know that you use the name hiring in the application mignon, it converted it to a link automatically for you. That's pretty cool. That's a beginning of something we will use in another sophisticated way, how to create the links automatically, the Django help us. And this is what's really cool. I don't really have to remember. It does it automatically for me. I don't really have to worry. Remember mignon, how do we get to mignon / hiring? Let's go back to the pie chart. And in fact, when we go to the URLs, before I get to this page, you had another URL. Let's open the projects URL. Leave this one open, but let's open the, excellent. See, in order to get to the other URL, you had to go to get to the 4th line. Is that right? Include, that is linking you to the mignon application. So it has to be mignon. So that's why you're having the link mignon /, and then when you go to the other URL, it will put the hiring there. That's the whole link. That's pretty cool. That's a really good summary of the routing. I think, Liam, this is beautiful. We don't have to spend the time on the deep billings on going over this routing because I think you really have shown beautiful understanding and we can move on. Fair enough?
I faced one error.
Go
When
ahead.
I tried to add an image to the second page for hiring and searching, it gives me an error.
Let's see 1 second. This is the hiring page. Okay, this one is okay or this one has the error?
This has the error.
Okay, so let's go step by step. This is the page and this is gives you, hold a second. Let's go to searching is okay. Searching works fine. Yeah,
No,
we'll solve it.
it
We'll
also
solve
gets
it in a
the error
second.
in search.
Go back, go back. Don't worry, go back, previous page. We'll solve it, don't worry. Okay, this one works, searching.
Yeah.
Okay, the reason I did it, so to help you out, to help yourself, go always when you try to solve why doesn't it work, go to one that does work. By the way, I already see that you did good, the navigation you did also. Between the pages also you did okay. So let's go into the one that does work. This is working perfectly, is that right?
No, it also gets the same error.
So what is the error you think the error came along? No, let's go back to the other page. Don't worry about it. Go to the other page. Let's see. Let's go all the way up. Go all the way up. See, the first line is fine. The black seems okay. Is that right?
Yes.
How about you delete the div? You know, delete the section div. Just delete it. delete the whole section. Also this one. Also this one. I know what they're doing. Deleting everything. Delete that section too. No, delete that section too. Just the image. Yeah?
Yes.
You see the image? Yeah, that wall. Only that wall 16. Look at that. Look at that. And the second one. Delete the image. Delete only the image. Put back everything. Put back everything. Sorry. Yeah. Hold a second. Hold. Now go back in line. Go back in line. Now go back to the browser. Yeah, we're going too fast now. Let's go back to the pie chart. There was 120. Point. You see line 20?
What?
לא שומע אותי? ליאם. Line 20.
Yes.
You see line 20? Yeah, line 20 is the image. Remove only this line. Yeah, it probably did. It's okay, good. Hey, you deleted the whole thing, sweetie. Put it back. No. Yeah, keep everything. Remove only line 20. Exactly. Hold a second. Why did I do that, Liam? Notice nothing else could cause the error. A div is a simple HTML. So this is not really the reason. This is HTML. This is really not the cause. The line you removed, which we'll put back in a second, most likely caused the error. So let's go back to the browser and click now on hiring and see if we're doing okay. Oh, it works. So probably the cause, it's that line. So let's go back to the pie chart and let's put that line back. You can do Control Z. Yeah. Now, what can be go wrong here? Hold a second. What can be going wrong here? To me, it looks fine because it seems to me you copied that most likely. Even if it doesn't find the picture, that will not be the reason not to allow you to have it. So it probably has to do with this static, and it doesn't
Yes.
know static. So there's something in defining only the static. So let's run it again. Go to the browser. Let's look at the open the browser again.
Abba, we can't hear you.
אפשר? הוא לא שומע אותי. זה מה שזה אומר לי פה.
Alright, speak from this one.
No, but I want it for the recording.
כן, זה עדיין יקליט, פשוט תדבר מכאן. ליאם?
Yes.
Alright.
Do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, good. So let's go step by step. Okay, Liam. You
Yes.
most likely have copied the same structure as you had in the main page. Is that right?
Yes.
All right, let's put it again. Let's look at the hiring. And the hiring, it doesn't work for some reason. And let's look at the whole page. Let's go all the way up. So this looks the same. Let's go to the main page and look at the top of the main page. So, Ed, you see something in the main that you didn't have in the other one?
Yes.
Exactly. Load static, it is the one that tells the template what is static is. Okay? I usually put it right under. I don't keep a space usually. Okay, I don't usually keep a space. Yeah, right there. And then usually I keep the space after the study. Yeah, keep the space after the second line. Keep a space there. Yeah, right there. Yeah. That's the way I usually, because the first one is really loading stuff for Ginger to do his job. Then I have my own pieces of the template. Now it should work. Let's try it. סעד יפה.
שם מאוד יפה.
מדהים. מה אתה, הילדים האלה יביאו אותנו רחוק.
אוקיי, טוב.
מעולה, לא רע.
רק לתמונה שלך הכי לשמור.
Awesome. Beautiful job, Liam.
Yes.
You made me happy. Like that. That's it. The reason I didn't give you the answer right away, because I wanted you to see the flow, how you can feel confident. Don't worry. Even if something doesn't work, you know you can get the beautiful part about somebody that has a good hand on how that works is that you don't get lost. You don't find the error by coincidence. You really know what to look for. So beautiful job. Beautiful, beautiful job. So now we're going to, now that we have excellent integration and excellent knowing how to integrate an application inside the Django framework, I'm sure that if I give you an exercise to fill up something on the left side of the screen without even me telling you anything, that seems like a little hard exercise, but I don't think so. Let's see if you can find out for next session how to add something, let's say linking Google or let's say Facebook, add Facebook, a link to Facebook on the left side of the menu. You see you have a menu on the left side?
Yeah.
So what I would like you to do, what it says to do, on top of it, no, not that one on the left side, no, all the way to the left. Yeah, you see when you click, it will download something, download document. But I don't want that one. I want you to add another row between the list example. You see when you click on list example, like a drop down. You see it says list 1, list 2.
Yes.
So I want you to change that. That's for next session exercise. Instead of that saying list 1, I want you that will say Academy City. And when you click on it, it will take you, it will open a link to Academy City website. And the one under it, okay, you will write Uganda, I don't know, find something in Uganda interesting. And you link to that website.
Okay.
What's your favorite beautiful place in Uganda you like the most?
I don't know. There's so many.
Okay, you'll find something. So the reason I'm giving you as an exercise so you'll feel comfortable that you know how to do navigation. Very easy. Fair enough? So your
Yes.
job is to find how you control it, how you add two links. That will be closing that section of navigation. We're done.